Hello people, so you may remember a few weeks ago I put up a video showing these wonderful grapevines, and the grapes weren't quite ready then, but now they are, and I thought I'd show you just how beautiful these lovely bunches of grapes are. And there must be well over 50 bunches here. I mean, you can see them hanging on the vines here. I mean, look. And look at these beautiful leaves. Don't they just look gorgeous at this time of year? I mean, look at that. I mean, don't they just look marvellous? And they are really sweet as well. And, oh yeah, as I stated in the video the other day, each one of these vines has been taken from cuttings. I'm trying to get this off. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you will have seen the original vines on my grape videos. So just look at them. Look fantastic, don't they? And as I stated, these have been very well cared for. The leaves have been removed to a degree so that the sun can hit the grapes and help to increase the sugar content, help them to ripen. I mean, look, and look at these lovely, some of these vines have these, bunches have these beautiful shine to them. Look at that one. Now I believe this is variety Bosscoop Glory. They're a seeded grape, but you can just see how many bunches there are on here. Whoop. Absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? And down here, this was a cutting taken a few years later. I think there's two in here. Lakemont seedless. It's been kept in the pot and put in the ground, interestingly. But look, that's producing now as well. Incredible, aren't they? That. That's one of the vines there. Hard to think that only about 5, 6, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago that was a tiny cutting. One there as well. Why not this one? Here was this one there as well, isn't it? That one's been kept in the pot as well. That's a vine there. See the rootstock? Not the root. Well, it's not a rootstock because it's a grafted vine, but you can see the root there. And just look at these. Look at them leaves. Don't they look gorgeous? So ornamental. I mean, look at just. And there's all this that you can't grow grapes in the UK, eh? Now I do get people that leave the comments below. They live in, okay, I will admit that yes, here in the southeast of the UK, and I mean Essex here, yes, we do tend to get the warmest summers of the UK, and this is true in general. And yes, if you live, you know, further north, somewhere like that, then yes, in general, the summers up there are not as long and warm as we get here. But, you know, if you've got a south-facing wall, get the right varieties, and maybe even consider growing one in a greenhouse or in a polytunnel, then grapes could be your thing. But I'm very interested in people letting me know about how they get on growing grapes if they're not in an ideal climate. So, you know, if you're in the Midlands here in the UK, if you're in Scotland, or if you're in another part of the world where they have much shorter summers, I don't know, I'm no geographer, but maybe somewhere like Scandinavia or somewhere like that. I presume the summers there are not as warm or as long as we get here in the southeast of the UK. but then I might be wrong, so let me know. But yeah, very interested about grapes, and grape growing is a passion of mine, and I love seeing them because it's such a beautiful exotic fruit that you can grow here in the UK, and they thrive in our climate. I mean, the Romans, when they were here, were very fond of them. Of course, their varieties were very different to what we have today, I would imagine. But nonetheless, an absolutely great amount of grapes here. And I imagine if one was a winemaker, they would be pleased as punch with this site. Okay, peeps, enjoy your Sunday. We'll speak soon. Still can't get over that clump.